Hey guys, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel, LaMonicas Lab, if you're new. Today in the lab, I'm going to be doing another Throwback Thursday palette type of video. So in this video, what I'm doing in this series here on my channel, if you're new, is that I'm picking a palette that you guys either comment down below or that I just have in my makeup stash that I haven't really talked about in a while here on my channel, and creating a different type of look using that same palette, because we know that so much makeup is coming out. We want to try all these new things, but we can't neglect our old palettes. Like, come on sis, we pay all this money for it. So let's go ahead and dig into our makeup collections and stash and create different looks and still come out looking like $1,000,000. So that is what this series is all about. So today I'm using a palette that someone requested in my comments down below, and I really do appreciate the feedback. So go ahead and leave your comments down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It definitely helps me out. And if you want to see how I created this look using an old time palette, but it's still a goodie, then keep on watching. So I had a couple of you comment on my last video, and some of you wanted me to do the Modern Renaissance. Then I saw a few of the Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and Mario palette. That one I don't have my hands on. And then some of you commented Too Faced palette. So thank you so much to those who have responded and left comments on palettes you want me to create looks on or just do a makeup look on. I really do appreciate that. So today I'm going to be going in with the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. So the other two palettes, definitely stay tuned as well. For those of you who commented those palettes, you know which ones I'm talking about. But I'm going to go ahead and use this one for a cute little simple look. I've already done the base of my face, such as my brows, moisturizer, primer, foundation, bronzer, concealer, and setting powder. I will have all of the products that I use in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. If you have any questions on what I did on my face, comment down below if you guys want me to show you my updated foundation routine. My foundation routine has definitely changed, so let me know down below. So I'm going to take my MAC 224 brush and take the shade So Bougie, which is right here, and place that all over my lid. Ooh, girl, I was about to go in with the black. Ooh, that would have been not good. The reason I put a shade all over my lid is because it just, like I said in the previous video, it just allows all of my colors to blend seamlessly and they all work together and not make it look so choppy. I like when eye look is just so blended properly and blended really well. So that's why I go in with the shade on top, just to allow my other shades to blend in all together. So the next shade I'm going to take is this Cocoa Truffle. I hope I'm not blinding you guys with this mirror on here, but Cocoa Truffle is this shade here. I'm going to take that and put that in my crease using the same brush. You know, after looking at some of your old palettes, you start to think like, dang, these are really some good palettes. I don't even know why I just pushed them to the back. But anywho, going in with my next shade, let's see what kind of eye I want to do here. Actually, I think I'm going to go in with this bronze gold dip color. No, this one is Old Money. I think I want to go in with Old Money. I don't think I've done this shade in here before. But first, I'm going to put a little bit of this black, which is Decadent, on the outer V. And I'm taking my Sigma E38 blending brush, and I'm just tapping that just a little bit. Just a little. This color is so pigmented. Like, this is probably one of my best blacks out of all of my palettes. Like, it doesn't give me a lot of kick up. It's not a lot of powder flying everywhere. So I really do like this palette. I like a lot of Too Faced palettes, actually. And we just want to blend that out so it's not looking too harsh. So far, so good. It's looking good. So now I'm going in with Old Money, which is this copper shade here. And I'm going to take this Sigma E25 blending brush. And I'm just going to place that all over my lid. This is a beautiful color. Look at that. This is pretty. Now I will say that the metallic shades in here do tend to fall out on the face, so you want to wet your brush, I think. But for the most part, Too Faced, this particular palette, the gold palette, you don't have to wet your brush, but I am going to, just so that I can pack it on a bit better, because I want it to look foiled. When you wet these type of shadows, they look foiled. Look at that. Okay, that's nice right there. Yes, honey. Yes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on, and we'll be back to finish the face. All right, guys, so for blush, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Lovejoy. I'm gonna mix it with this Note Cosmetics number 5 Desert Rose. It's like an orangey shade. On my lips, I picked out my Too Faced Melted Liquid Lipstick in the shade Naughty by Nature. I love this liquid lipstick. It is like the perfect brown. So I'm gonna spray my face with the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Spray. I'm gonna take the palette and go into this like blue shade right here. And I'm gonna place that in my inner corner just to make it a little bit more fun of a look. I just always like creating looks like this. It's like so different. It's not your typical, you know, like eye, but you added a little pizzazz in the corner. For highlight, I'm gonna take the Fenty Kilowatt Foil in the Minted Mojito shade and mix it with the Sandcastle shade here. This stuff is serious. You gotta take your time with that. You see that? Ooh, child. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy makeup tutorial and this series that is here on my channel. I'm feeling this makeup. It looks really cute. So yeah, let me know your thoughts down below. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.